Well, it's day 4 here at the Hoarder house. We're still waiting for the owner to come open it up for us, but it's a bit colder today. But we're gonna try and get this back room that's right here behind this wall cleared out today. See how far we can get. But right now it's time to suit up.
What?
Time to suit up. And this will be the room that we tackle today. Good times! And we're really hoping that this behind this curtain is our doors. Or at least windows to ventilate the area. Boomerang? You can see all the junk we're pulling out of this room, but I think it's better if you have a view of in the room. Put you guys right here. Still a long way to go. The floors, well, pretty much like every room in this house has been. Whoa! Well, the good thing is, it's still all frozen and not rotten.
Yeah. Although the food is extremely old.
Oh yeah, it's not savable, but at least it doesn't stink.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Va en la pared. Está enchufado en otro lado.
No way.
Yeah.
En la cocina, abajo de los cabinets. No.
Una pinza, preguntar si tienen para sacar este tipo de caño.
Do you have a plumber's wrench?
Yeah, I believe so. This might work easier for you. No se water. Stinkiest el agua.
Oh,
Hurry.
close the water. Shut the water off. You got it already then?
Okay.
That might just be, quizás es lo que queda en las pipas. Porque no está corriendo mucho. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Saca las cosas, a ver.
¿Cómo?
Eso tirarlo para afuera.
Sí, pero está corriendo todavía agua.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
shh.
Pero,
Lo habré abierto ahora. No, shut it off, shut it off. I know, but it actually was just the water that was left in the pipes. And now you just turned it on. We're good. Okay.
trae otra uña.
Uña, ¿qué es eso?
La Dolly.
Oh.
¿Lo tenés?
Sí, pero... ay. I set that wrench back on that shelf in the garage.
No, no, no. No, no, sácalo ahí.
Let's check out this fridge.
Ok, nunca sabes cuando abrís una puerta, eh. Check it out, guys.
Whoa. Oh my.
Tenemos suerte porque está todo congelado. Look at that. Holy
Whoa.
moly, you need to see that.
Holy crap.
I think I've seen it before. There's probably meat in there, isn't there?
Oh yeah. There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Wow.
Is that a squash?
Yeah,
In that door? Is that a squash?
it's squash. Yeah,
Oh, who knows?
yeah, it's a squash.
No, no, that's not squash. What? King's Choice cheese. Gouda cheese.
That might
Oh,
be good.
okay. Look at the cheese, guys.
Ooh.
Like a salami. Yummy. How many years? ¿Cuántos años que está acá esto?
Who knows?
Here, do you want to hold this and I'll push with him?
What? You got it?
Are you good? Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Okay.
It's tipping. Oh, shoot.
Woo!
How's it staying up?
It's a setting on their dolly.
Oh, I see.
Lost the wheel.
Oh, the dolly. Ah. That's no good. Sí, ya sé. Este es el que abre más. Yo tampoco. Ya, no. Yo lo estoy aguantando. Si yo lo suelto, se cae.
Vamos a empujarlo de nuevo para allá. Uno, dos, tres, marcha. ¿Cómo van a hacer esto de plástico, loco?
Sí, es lo que yo pensaba. ¿Quién hace un dolly de plástico? Seriously.
Yeah. Oh, let's try with that one.
Mauricio, hace mucho que necesito la mano tu señora, vos y el Espíritu Santo.
¿No quieres pasarlo por acá? Es la cuerda.
¿Cómo?
There you go, yeah. Toma.
Bien. Sí, ¿por qué hablas así medio tapado? ¿Estás tapado con la sábana? Bueno, qué sé yo. Viste que hay gente, por más que sea verano y por más que haga calor, se tiene que tapar al menos con una sábana. Yo creo que somos más y lo que nos tenemos que tapar con una
How does this work?
porque lo que duele.
I think you just crank it.
Basically, it just tightens it. It doesn't like go round and round. So you get as tight as you can, and then you're able to tighten it that much more.
Mauricio.
Not yet.
Well, hold on. You
Get it
got,
right up to it.
yeah, I gotta get it underneath first. There you go.
There you go, just like that.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Oh,
Vamos.
okay.
Oh my gosh, man.
Okay. I can do it. Let's push it forward.
Can we spin it out this way? What are we hitting now? There.
It's just heavy.
Okay. Ready?
This is actually a little slippery over here.
Yeah.
You got it? Okay.
Alright.
Agarra ahí, Kurt, vos, de esa. Ready?
Oh shit. Oh crap. Mi traje, está muy grande y lo piso.
Okay.
Para. Yo no salgo y no puedo sacar el brazo.
Hold it. Wait, Hold. Decide que la pare.
Stand it up. Just stand it up.
Ya.
Mira. Piso eso y me atropello.
This one's quite the workout.
Okay. No, you know what? Vamos a tener que vaciarla. We need to empty.
The fridge was too heavy, so we gotta empty it out.
Okay.
Cuarto día. Y ya llenamos otros 4 contenedores. Hoy terminamos por hoy.
Yeah,
no more,
this.
No more for today.
No more for today. This is the 4th container we filled.
Crazy, man.
Still have a lot to clean out in that room on the other side, but everything in that room fit in this container. And there's still more in the room. Craziness. But we're done for today. I might as well show you guys the progress. This is a lot of stuff we pulled out of that room that you know the owner might want to go through. I don't know. We got this wall cleared up. I've got a time lapse for that. Freezer full of food still. It was still plugged in, so that's good. We got the fridge out of here. That was nasty. We got all these bins filled up for tomorrow. The container's full outside, so we can't fit any more in there. But we still got all this food and this whole side of this room. These filing cabinets were full of top ramen and hamburger helper. And look at this, guys. I didn't show you this. Look what's in these drawers. Okay, not so much that one. But all these drawers have baseball cards, boxes and boxes, baseball cards, basketball cards. Might be worth something, I don't know. But anyway, let's go home. We'll see you on day 5.